Hi, Xiang. Today I'm gonna show you a quick way to calibrate the knob on the right handle or left handle. Okay. So this will be the rough video, and we will come up with official video really quick. So make sure in the beginning, make sure this is in the down, and then double click the menu button, and go to the information page, and double click it, and hold the down button 3 seconds, and in the meantime click the menu button. Okay, and the double click, so we're setting the right handle, so double click the down button, and we're going to set the range. Then what we're gonna do first is go to, so clockwise, go to the minimum, go to the limited, and double click the down button, and then go to counterclockwise to the limited, then double click the down button. Now we're gonna send the A and B range. So we clockwise to the end, and put the range button up, and then go to counterclockwise to the end, and double click this down button. Okay, and put this key down, then continue counterclockwise to the end, then put this key back up, and clockwise going to the end, double click this down button. Okay, then it says key down, then you put the key down, and double click down button. It says key up, and you put the key up, and double click the key button, the down button. And for now, ask is what do you want to save, and you double click the down button, and it's saved. So as you can see now, I have it on M. It's from 0 to 999, and I put on the long, it's from 0 to 999, and then I go to small, it's 0 to 999. So that'll be it. Okay, you'll be all set. If you have more questions, please let us know. We would like to help you, make your life happy.